Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Michael Moore. I'm going to be teaching you how to tie a Palomar knot today. It is the most useful fishing knot I've ever stumbled across. If you could please leave a like, comment, and subscribe on this video, that'd be amazing. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be using 14-pound monofilament line and a 4/0 worm hook. And to do the Palomar knot, it's very simple. It's one of the most simple knots there is. So basically it starts, you're gonna feed the line through the eye of the hook like so, okay, and then you're gonna take the end and feed it right back through the eyelet, and you should have this with it being on two ends like this, okay. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a loop it, right? So you're just gonna take these two and then loop it through like that. And then what I like to do is I like to put my finger in the hole here, just like that. And then I'll start cinching it down a little bit, go around the hook or whatever I'm tying on, and then I'll take my finger out, I'll get it to about here, and then I'll lick this part so that way you don't burn your line, and then cinch it down. And that's what it will look like when finished. And just to show that you could tie a Palomar knot on anything, I have a Genco CD2 here, and I'm going to show you how to tie a Palomar knot on a crankbait. So basically it's the same thing. You're gonna go through the eyelet, right, one time, and then you're gonna go right back through. Okay, and then you're gonna go around. What am I doing? Okay, put your finger here. Okay, go through, and then bring that up there, cinch it down, and that is a Palomar knot on a crankbait. And then you just cut the tag end off, and I guess the tag end would be this end. So snip the tag end off about, I snag it up about that length there. Maybe even a little shorter, as close to the knot as possible, leaving enough room so that way if it slips it can catch. But I've never had a problem with these not slipping. So alright, well thank you guys for watching how to tie a Palomar knot. If you could please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And there will be more videos soon to come, hopefully fishing videos. Stay tuned.